Welcome back, dear friends. I'm Chef Walter, and this is another episode of News You Can Eat 24. This episode is about Torta Pasqualina. In the wonderful cuisine of the stunning region of Liguria, vegetable pies are very prevalent and are generally prepared around Easter. In fact, in Italian, the word Pasqua translates to Easter. The first mentions of this type of pie are found in several Renaissance cookbooks. The original Torta Pasqualina includes a pastry made up of 33 very thin layers, a number chosen not by chance, but precisely to symbolize the years of Jesus Christ. It was prepared using only strictly Ligurian local water, flour, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Nowadays, it is limited to about 10 sheets, which are rolled very thinly and mixed without eggs, but certainly with flour, Ligurian olive oil, water, and salt. The filling on the other end involves the use of peninsula, a particular soft cheese with a consistency similar to yogurt and ricotta. And because it is very difficult to find this particular peninsula cheese outside of Liguria, it is often replaced by a very good quality ricotta cheese. Other ingredients include chard, artichoke, as well as marjoram, all eggs, and last being the symbol of life and rebirth, the return of spring, and the triumph of life over death. The most important aspect of the Torta Pasqualina is the eggs baked on the inside. When you cut the pie, you should see the egg slice through the middle in what's a beautiful and a festive effect. And to see where to cut the torta, all you have to do is to score the top of the pie. That's a little quick suggestion from me. Torta Pasqualina combines religion, flavors, and family traditions. And while it is time-consuming to make, its rewards are really priceless. Today, however, you can save on time by using the store-bought puff pastry. It is not the same thing, but some time to save a few seconds of your busy week, it's important. And that is News You Can Eat for today on Torta Pasqualina. We wish you happy Easter from all of us here at Flavors and Knowledge. Follow us for recipes and practical cooking information on flavorsandknowledge.com, and subscribe to YouTube on the Flavors and Knowledge channel for additional videocast of importance, specifically health and history, and the discovery of new culinary richness of Italian cuisine. We'll reconnect on the next round with another spectacular topic. This is Chef Walter. Again, stay well and be safe.